I need to... It's been a while. It has been a while since I showed my face on camera. So, hi everybody, welcome back. And if you haven't noticed, since December, I have been kind of phasing out of putting my face on camera because of the amount of work that it does to do like an intro and an outro. We're actually in the process of moving a few states away, so we're in the process of dealing with that and dealing with a move across country and stuff like that. So my ability to come on here and do intros with every single video is becoming increasingly limited. I feel like I won't be able to keep that up anymore, maybe once a month. So that's the reason for that change. But today's video is a favorites video. I'm going to go through all of the things that I bought this winter that are my absolute favorite. But do keep in mind, just because it's a winter's favorite video doesn't mean the stuff that are my favorites are snowmen and Christmas stuff, because I don't like Christmas stuff that much. I don't like the traditional Christmas stuff, but I can think of one brand whose collections I specifically bought because it was traditional Christmas stuff, but that's it. So before I continue to talk your head off, all of this stuff that I'm going to be saying is my favorite is stuff that I bought from November of 2019 all the way until January. So November, December, and January. I'm not going to include things from February because I feel like that starts to get into the love, pinks, reds, stuff like that. And that's really pushing the borderline of spring for me. So without further ado, before I talk your head off, let's get into it. I think I'm going to start off this video starting from stuff that I bought in November, because this is more Thanksgiving related, obviously, if you couldn't tell by the Thanksgiving feast and cranberry relish. So these are Manny Moguls monthly mystery color that they release every single month. And this is still to date here in March, my favorite MMC that she's released. So it is Thanksgiving Feast, which is this beautiful fun glitter, and Cranberry Relish, which pairs so perfectly with this. I actually did not buy this from her website directly. I snatched these babies up in the buy-sell trade when I saw Made by Kit Kwong rock the most beautiful mani, and I'm going to insert the mani that she did and the mani that I did with these two colors because I love these colors. This next color is totally a traditional Christmas color, and if you're not familiar with Zooty Nails, I think you need to brush up on who they are and check out their Facebook group, because that's where you get to see all these beautiful colors go live every single month, or almost every single month. So the swatch I have here is not doing it justice, so I'm going to insert a swatch that I found in their Facebook group that's absolutely perfect to show off this color, and it just literally looks like a Christmas tree. My next favorites are very traditional, and I spoke about this in my intro very briefly about traditional Christmas colors, and you're going to understand when I show you Cotton-Headed Niggy Muggins. I absolutely love this foil dip powder, and again, my swatches just don't do it justice. It is absolutely gorgeous, and I don't know, I have a thing for foil dip powders, as you can tell, because I also bought Tinsel Toes when it was released with this launch. She also has this red color called Holly, and another red glitter called the Naughty List. I absolutely love it. I didn't buy every color that was in the launch. I picked out the 5 that I absolutely love from this launch. And she also came out with this silver color called Slay What. I haven't used it yet, and I don't know what I'm going to use it for, but I thought it was really cute and too cute to pass up. I got to hand it out to Revel Nail with their advent calendar. I really loved just the idea of the advent calendar, and knowing that I got to unbox the color for 24 days straight through the month of December. So here are all the colors in the advent calendar. It's kind of hard to get them all in the shot, and I'm not going to show you the 24 jars I have hanging out up there, but if you want to see these all unboxed, I have a YouTube video showing you these. But I absolutely love the range of the colors, and while not every single color is my favorite, I absolutely love this one, AC19-11, because it reminds me of chocolate chips in an ice cream, so I can totally see this being an awesome color to do with an ice cream manicure. Another thing that I thought that Revel did really, really well throughout the holiday season was their freebies. So let me find all the freebies that came out. So if you ordered during their 12-day of Revel, you got a freebie every single day. So I ordered every single day and got these freebies, and I absolutely love the range. While I'm not in love with every single color that I got, I just like the idea that I'm getting something for free as like a reward. And then this was their Black Friday and their Cyber Monday mystery colors, and I absolutely love those two, and they're going to be perfect for spring. This next one goes out to Dazzle Dolls, and again, I fail at swatching because there's no way that I can capture the beauty of these 4 colors that people have gone crazy about over, like, I think it was the month of January when I bought these. Yes. So this one's called, I think it's Mosaic, Sweet Pea, Deco, and Milky Way, and these 3 are foil dip powders, and she absolutely nailed them. They're absolutely gorgeous, and this Milky Way glitter is absolutely stunning. So if you've never heard of Dazzle Dolls, I would definitely check them out. So I've seen people post about VIVIDips in groups, Instagram, all the places on Facebook, and it always intrigued me, and I was always interested with this company, but I never actually pulled the trigger until this winter. And while these are not wintry colors, maybe this one could be, I am in love with all of these colors, and I'm super blown away with these 3 solids and how easy they were to apply to my swatch. So I'm actually really interested not only with how unique these glitters are, but in getting more solids from this company because of how beautiful they are. So if you've never heard of VIVIDips, hit them up. Peel Base, oh my gosh, this has been a holy grail, an awesome thing, and I just discovered it this winter, and it's amazing, and I don't think I'm ever going to remove this from my collection. And it's hard to tell from here, but I'm almost halfway through it, and this thing is like $14 on Amazon and worth every penny. Where are my all powdered up fans? I know you guys are out there. I am head over heels in love with everything that all powdered up makes, and I absolutely loved these 2 colors, Electric Eel and Northern Lights, that I wore in, I think it was January? Yes, it was in January together, and I absolutely love these. And it's like, when I think of January, I think of blue, but this was totally like darker than I was thinking for January, and Northern Lights is just absolutely perfect. I love this color so much. There's so much dimension to the glitters in it, and all powdered up is just blowing it away and knocking it out of the park with every new color they make. In case you needed evidence and proof of how amazing the range of colors from all powdered up is, like, look at those, look, oh my gosh. I don't know, I have to have like every color. I love blues, I love pinks, I love fuchsias, I love nudes. Not so much of a fan of purples, but there's only 3 right there, so I can survive. So yeah. This one might be a little tough to show you guys because I have this on my swatch tree, which is very awkward to record, and I really don't want to take off the other swatches on top of it. But this is the Sparkle & Co. November sub bag, which was themed for a Christmas theme. So you can tell by the names, Slay What, Frostbite Opal, Holly Jolly Opal, I'm Feeling Pine, things like that, that this was totally a Christmas themed bag. So I actually wore a gel, I think it was a gel from this bag, Snow Globe Opal. Yes, so I wore Snow Globe Opal in a mani in November and absolutely loved it. I love Hostess with the Mostess. It's absolutely like gorgeous, burnt, purpley, whatever color you want to call it. And Frostbite Opal is absolutely gorgeous, and it sucks that it's a nail polish because I totally wish it was a dip powder. I also love Don't Opal Till Christmas. I think it is a perfect red opal. So remember how I told you guys I don't like traditional Christmas? Sorry, not sorry, Sparkle & Co.'s Christmas collection, goodbye. But I absolutely loved their New Year's Eve 2020 collection. I wore Prosecco Princess and Clean Slate together for a mani, and I absolutely love them. But I think all of these colors pair very well with each other or by themselves. So if you guys got your hands on this collection, you are one lucky person because they are rare, they're not coming back, and they're absolutely stunning, especially these 4. A few other things that Sparkle & Co. released over the holiday season were these 3 colors, and I did a video review on them. And I wore Misty Rose and Into the Fuchsia, and these colors are just really gorgeous, guys. And I absolutely love them, and I love that they made them mainline colors because you can't go wrong with any of these colors in your collection. So I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and thank you guys so much for coming to hang out with me, watching these videos. Or if you have any other video requests, I'm open to suggestions. And it's a goal of mine to do more artwork in terms of freehanding artwork and stamping and stuff like that on this channel. So I really hope that you guys like these type of videos, whether it's the favorites video, the St. Patrick's Day stuff, stamp with me videos, things like that. If you do, let me know. Bye guys. Also, this gold, I told myself when I got this gold, because it came in a grab bag from Sparkle & Co., I was never going to wear it. And then I ended up doing the St. Patrick's Day manicure, and guess what? I'm wearing it. So